Là på Elkann.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Chief Commercial and Marketing Officer Enrico Galliera.
Buongiorno Geneva e benvenuti alla conferenza stampa Ferrari. Welcome to the Ferrari press conference. There is a strong connection between Ferrari and the Motor Show of Geneva. Here in the history we always came with many new products that were extremely successful. And this connection is so strong that we decided to be here again, not only to present a new product with a world premiere, but also to start a new journey. In fact, in 2019 will be a very important year for the company, where we will come with an interesting number of new products that are designed to bring news in our product range, cover a new segment, and target new clients. The new car that we present here today is the first chapter of this exciting journey. And the video that you have just seen is basically featuring some of the most successful mid-rear engine V8 cars that contributed to the success of Ferrari. Now with the new car we present today, we came with inspiration. And we decided to celebrate something that makes us extremely proud, which is the V8 turbo engine that has been awarded as the best engine in the world in the last 3 years. And last year has been also awarded as the best engine of the last 20 years. In order to celebrate this excellence, we decided to work around this concept in order to develop something that will celebrate this excellence. But starting around the engine, we wanted to deliver something that was delivering a great level of usability, combined with a unique fun to drive and driving emotion, which is something that characterized the Ferrari product range. So today we are here with this new model, the F8Tributo. The name is already clearly identifying the reason and the positioning of this car, because we want to celebrate an excellence, which is the V8 turbo engine. Now, which are, in a very synthetic way, the characteristics of this car? Of course, we start from the engine. The engine is the 3.9 liter, delivering 720 horsepower. The highest performance ever delivered by Ferrari on a V8 engine. The specificity of this new engine is that it's delivering the highest specific power, 185 horsepower per liter in the history of the company. But most of all, the two elements that makes this engine unique is that it's the only turbo engine in the world that is practically not having any turbo lag, which means that as soon as you push the throttle, you have an immediate response by the engine. And of course, something of which we are very proud, it is delivered a unique Ferrari sound. The second element that is worth mentioning is about the aerodynamics, because a lot of work has been done on the car. The car is delivering an increased aerodynamic efficiency versus the previous model, the 488, of a plus 10%. But everything has been designed in order to increase the intake of cool air on the engine in order to further support the power increase. And then we come to one of the most important elements, because we always like to say that whoever drives a Ferrari should have a smile in his face, which is the translation of emotion to drive. And here again, there are several things that has been done, starting from a new steering wheel with a reduced diameter in order to enhance the handling of the car, an evolution of the side lead control, what we call 6.1, which is basically an electronic system that is helping the driver to bring the car to the limit. And last but not least, there has been a huge work on further reducing the weight with another 40 kilo reduction versus the 488. And then we thought it was, as always, important to bring some elements, some iconic elements of our history. So whenever we come with a new model, we always look at our history and we try to identify some elements that can personalize even more this car. And in this case, as soon as we release the photos of the car, we have a lot of lovers, a lot of fun, a lot of clients immediately picturing one of the most evident elements of connection versus our history, which is the rear windshield in Lexan that was so specific of the Ferrari F8. Last but not least, we have been working in the interior, and together with the new steering wheel that I already mentioned, there is a new dashboard design, a new updated HMI. We introduced the passenger display in order to be able to share the experience of driving that the driver will deliver, and a new door panel and a new central console design. So everything has been done in order to further enhance the connection of the driver with the car. Everything put together is basically delivering state-of-the-art performance. The car, as we said, is the most powerful V8 ever done by the company, 720 horsepower. A new ratio, horsepower per liter, reaching 185, which is the highest achieved by the company. A further reduction of the weight, and this combined together is delivering a stunning weight to power of 1.85, which is heavily contributing to the fun to drive and to the emotion to drive. All combined together deliver a stunning performance in terms of acceleration that bring this car below the 3 seconds on the 0-100 and at 7.8 seconds on the 0-200. Now, of course, we could keep talking for hours about this new car, but we believe that the best option is to see the car. Before unveiling the car, let's see a short video positioning the new model. So, now it's time to see the car. I will ask the member of the management team Ferrari to join the first car, and the member of the team that has been working extensively in the last years to develop the new car to unveil the car. So, We are ready? Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the new Ferrari F8Tributo.
Scusi, scusate.
Ragazzi, non mi paga.
Anche a noi, pensa.
Dai.
Scusi,